Hey guys, good morning sa inyong lahat. Maglilipat kami ng bahay. Yeah, hindi kami maglilipat ng bahay guys. So yung mga gamit namin guys na gagamitin for the weekend is andito na sa loob ng Peracaro. Ayan na lahat. Punong-puno yan guys. Dahan-dahan namin siyang sisimulan. Nagdala kami ng konting patatas guys kasi gagamitin namin yan sa pagluluto. And kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast, nag-send ng mga emails, gumawa ng iba't ibang trabaho online guys na kailangang ipang-send yung mga emails na na-check ganun. Day off ko, kaya marami akong oras, and Nico and me are going to the Larry Maya today because we are going to start the decoration, and later in the afternoon maybe we're going to pick up Carlos. But the first thing is that we will organize our area there in Larry Maya para bukas is konti na lang yung trabaho and para relax na talaga guys, hindi na masyadong maraming gagawin bukas. So yung mga ibang gamit pala ng himuta ko guys, pasensya guys ha. Nang himuta ko guys, pasensya na lang gid kay ko guys. Ayan, kaya normal man yan dito sa Finland guys, yung mahimuta ka, hindi ka man nila sawayin. Sa atin lang man sa Pilipinas ang hinawayon kay taba. But yeah, are we ready?
Ironing tape.
I put there already.
Do we need bucket for the flowers, please?
Hey, I think we need, but we can use some of the buckets in here, like this one and this one. Do we have like 2 buckets there, Daddy, that we can use? This one and that one we can use it.
But this is for the meat. When this is empty, you can something.
Nej, kyllä. And sa lahat kom just med workout och sen mot, but we need to have a bucket. Do we have a bucket there? Yeah, how many are there? There's no 2. How about in the storage? How about like okay. Let's go look guys kasi kailangan namin ng mga buckets for us to get the flowers. Mangunguha lang kami ng flowers sa forest and sa field guys, hindi kami bibili. May bibilhin naman pero hindi ganun karami. Most of the stuff will be coming from the fields and from the forest, and they are free to pick. Kaya mag-improvise kami guys. Ayan, there's a bucket there. There's so many bucket over here.
Take this to iron in town to Hyönys.
Yo. Rita. Sa Rita.
Tuossa on turtle.
Okay.
Tässä on hous, mutta haittaako se?
Joo, se haittaa. Pitäisi olla. Entäs se toinen?
Tämä.
Niin.
Tässä on hiekka.
Hiekka. No, se riittää.
But let's take this.
Let's make this tauta today and then tomorrow again. But hey, tas iron boys. Pimo is going to stay here in the house guys. Hindi siya sasama. Meron naman siyang bed dyan. Mag-chill yan siya. And kapag umulan, pwede naman siya doon sa terrace na magstay. Isn't it, Pimo? Sobrang gulo pa talaga dito sa bahay namin guys. Alam nyo ba, nakailang tapo na kami ng basura talaga. Sobrang dami talagang basura dito na kailangang itapon. Hindi matapos-tapos yung trabaho kasi dalawa lang man kami ni Nico guys. And wala din kaming pera pambayad sa mga tao na gagawa. Kaya we'll just taking it slowly, one day at a time, one space at a time. Kahit hindi matapos, okay lang. Kasi hindi naman kailangan magmadali. Dami kasi kailangan gawain guys. Tapos may mga gawain din si Nico sa forest. Tapos ako din guys, busy din ako mushroom hunting. Maglaba, ganyan. Kapag off ko kasi guys, pahinga talaga ako guys. Or nagpupunta ako ng forest. Kasi yun lang ang stress reliever ko talaga. And kailangan din namin ilabas si Anika. Kaya di ba mahirap? Pero okay lang yun kasi sabi ni Nico, di bali na ganyan. It seems na it looks like pagkasabi niya, it just means that there are normal people who's living in the house. Ganun naman kasi talaga kapag busy nga. But anyways guys, tara na, punta na tayo sa Larry Maya and hatid na natin itong mga gamit doon. Our plan was to leave the house at 9:30 in the morning. It's now 10:40 in the morning, so we are 1 hour late, but it's okay. We will try to maximize what we can do. And let's pass by Sale to throw some of the garbage, and then I'm going to buy our lunch there. So we'll just have a Valmis Ruaka guys for lunch. Kasi nga BCB kasi tayo masyado. Sobrang BCB. BCB. Yan. So we have the Peracaro at the backside, guys. Ayan na. I don't know kung nakikita nyo. Nakikita ko siya dito. So hila-hila na namin yung cart, guys. And lilipat na kami ng gamit namin yun sa Leri Maya. Yeah. Hey, let's stop by there at our Poste Latico because I'm going to check something. Yeah. So, alis na kami ng bahay, guys. Ayan na. Diba? Sama talaga namin kayo. Yan. Yung post box namin, guys, sobrang layo. This is like 800 meters or 500 meters. 500 meters yung layo ng aming post box, guys. Hindi sa tapat ng bahay namin. Kasi papasok pa kasi yung sa amin. Ayan. Gubat na gubat. Now, guys, we are here in the forest. Itong Leri Maya, guys, dadaan siya sa mga farms. Kaya forest na forest talaga, countryside talaga itong area namin. Pero sobrang ganda, of course. So beautiful. You know, sobrang daming puno. So walang tao dito, guys. Kami lang mag-iingay dito. Kaya kung magkaraoke man kami, magsigawan man dyan, okay lang. Kasi nasa in the middle of nowhere talaga itong pupuntahan natin, guys, or yung venue namin, diba? Sobrang layo sa kabihasnan. Actually, nag-pick ako dito ng mushrooms before, but this year hindi ko siya naabutan, guys, kasi sobrang nasira na sila, kaya napakasayang. Next year ulit, guys, aagahan ko. Pero itong forest na ito dito, hindi ko pa ito na-check pa. Baka meron ditong mushrooms. I-try ko next time. Mga next week siguro, or in the coming days. Puntahan natin yan dyan. So, dito na tayo. Malapit na tayo, guys. Sa Leri Maya. Maybe may naglilinis doon ngayon. We don't know if there's someone who is cleaning. Because the Leri Maya was used last weekend as well. But yung malapit na tayo, guys. Dito na tayo banda. Dito mo yun na side. Nag-pick ako ng mushroom. Yeah. So this is Leri Maya 150. So it's over here. So yung side na yan dyan, guys. Yung lahat na may mga pine trees. Leri Maya na yan dyan. Or yung camping site. Yeah. We are here. My sister will be wondering, where are we going? This is like...
Yeah, I think for Denmark, there's no forest there. Just the city and the farm.
Andito na tayo, guys, sa Leri Maya. And hindi ko alam yung code. Kasi binigyan lang kami ng door code, guys. Nagagamitin para ma-open yung door. Andun pa si Nico sa car kasi tumawag yung nanay niya. So... Oh my God, nagmasarong picking na daan eh. Yan o. Oh my God. Di ko muna kukunin, guys, kasi wala akong kutsilyo. Pero tingnan nyo. Yan o. Oh my God. Tingnan nyo yung porcini, guys. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Pero hindi natin ipipick up, guys, kasi wala akong dalang kutsilyo. And meron akong mga ibang bagay na kailangang gawin. Pero baka mamaya kasi magkukuha ako ng knife sa bahay. Meron din dito mushroom na ganito. Pero hindi man yan siya nakakain, guys. Check lang natin yung area muna. Baka meron pa dito, di ba? Who knows? Malay natin, di ba? Dito wala naman, guys. Pero meron doon isa. Kahimuot man yung kuwan, oy. Yan na, sa phone pa yung isa, guys, kasi kausap niyo yung nanay niya. Tatanong kung ano mga help na kailangan namin. Tingnan. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Kita nyo ba? Ay, ang ganda tingnan. Oh my God, pero I think meron na itong uod sa cape niya guys kasi medyo ano. But let's see later guys kapag pinick up ko yan kasi wala akong dalang kutsilyo nga ngayon. Yung mga gamit namin dito guys, unahin namin yung mga karne. Lalagay na namin yan diretso dito sa ref para hindi yan masira. Maraming ref dito guys na paglalagyan ng mga gamit. Itong side na to dito, ito yung mga rooms. Ito na side is yung kitchen, tapos yung may isang room dito guys. Diyan namin ilalagay si Pimo para hindi siya halo dun kasama ng ibang mga tao kasi hindi ko alam baka merong may allergy, pero hindi kasi namin pwede iwan si Pimo sa bahay. But yeah, tervetuloa, like and follow, spotlights. Yan. Ayan ang itsura dito guys. O, diba? Ayan ang itsura dito sa Leiri Maya guys. So, I think we are going to set this one up. Kung papaano, hindi ko pa alam. We will see. But I wanted to have like long tables in here. Tapos, isang table doon. And then, dito na side, yung buffet. And magkalagay kami ng ilang tables dito. Tapos, yung ibang tables is sa labas. Kasi pwede naman malagyan doon. Tapos itong mga sofa guys, ililipat namin ito doon sa Athenen para maupuan and magkaroon ng space dito. But yeah, sobrang ganda dito sa Leiri Maya guys kasi kasali na yung mga chairs and tables, utensils, spoon, fork, glasses, ganyan. Pati yung mga gamit sa pagluluto kasali na rin. And we are also going to use this itong fireplace so we can have that cozy ambience. Yeah, but yeah, we will start our work now. We'll gather all our stuff, Daddy, so we can go to the forest and pick some of the things that we needed. So mag-aayos na kaming dalawa ni Nico dito guys. Ayusin namin yung table. We wanted to have 2 long tables in here and then a center table there, and then in this side this is the food area, but we are also going to put some tables here on the side and outside as well. We're going to put 2 tables so everybody have a sitting place and hindi tayo magulo. So ayusin muna namin to. Tatanggalin namin yung mga chairs and tables dito and i-arrange namin siya. pinuntahan ako ni Nico, guys. Hindi, it was closed because of the wind. Who?
No, let's keep all the food here.
Yeah. Hey, we can even put one table in here.
Niin, no tässä oli se yksi one narrow.
Yeah, but I want this table to put in here because I'm gonna put a coriste in here, like a decoration.
Niin, and when they put the gift, maybe... Olisiko tossa parempi? When we take a handshake.
Do we handshake?
Joo, tietysti.
Really?
All guests need to
Handshake?
welcome.
Wait, boy. Why need to handshake?
No, se nyt on semmonen...
Yeah.
Josko se...
But there's no other table. Is there that Emmanan? There's a table there?
Ei ole ainakaan siirrettävää.
Ei ole siirrettävää. How about there in the storage? There's none there? Can you look? Gagawa lang ako ng ice, guys. And Nico is filling the fridge with the drinks that we have. And then, we're going to eat lunch soon. So, naayos na namin yung tables. Kailangan pa siya lagyan ng mga table covers. Meron kaming mga table covers dyan. Kailangan lang namin siyang planchahin para maganda siyang tingnan. Pero itong mga ice, gagawin ko na muna to. Para malagay siya sa freezer. Para meron tayong yellow. Hindi na natin kailangan bumili. So, kung may maghanap ng ice, meron tayong ma-offer sa kanila na ice. Ice lang ang kainin nyo. Ay, actually, sa dulot. Ayan. Kakapagod din yung nag-ayos kami ng table ni Nico, Kasi para talaga siyang puzzle, guys. Kailangan namin ng spaces talaga for our guests. And buti na lang at nagkasya naman siya lahat-lahat talaga. Yan. Buti na lang at nagkasya siya, guys, sa lahat. But there will be a few guys who will be sitting outside. Maybe those friends na merong kids para yung mga bata kung tumakbo-takbo man sila is madali nila makita yung mga anak nila, guys. Baka tumakbo dun sa lake kasi merong lake dito. You can put it rather on top of each other. So, natapos din to, guys. Nico said, good thing this is only once, Daddy.
Niin. It's a big job.
It's a big job, yeah, because we did DIY for everything because we don't have money. But even though this is a DIY or do it yourself, decoration, preparation, and everything, this is going to be very beautiful. I know that. Ang importante lang sa akin, guys, is makaraos kami nito. Laid back lang talaga itong ano na to. Walang ka-formal-formalan itong aming kasal, guys. It's not a very, very formal wedding. Iko ni Daddy. It's not a formal wedding, guys. It's just that wedding lang. Wedding. Sa manin, nga buslot na. O, pag gani nabutang na buslot na. Wala ko kasabot. Buslot na ng mga tibaghakan. Daw ba? Wa man. At hindi ka ng tubig. Wa man. Meron na ako nito. Kunin ko nga yung isang ano dito. Para ilagay ko ito dito. So, lalagay ko siya dito. Para maging yellow. Yellow, chip. Para maging yellow ito, guys. Ayan. Maganda yung mga ganito, yung ice paggawa ko. Yung bags for the ice. Maganda siya. Mabilis lang to guys. Bukas, ice na to. So, pag may nanghingi ng ice, di merong ice dyan. Sarong di mo tugnawon. Medyo malamig na pala yung weather sa labas guys. But, it's okay. Kung lamig din sila, magbawang sila ng jacket. Diba? Ayan. So, yung mga soft drinks namin guys, is lalagay ko lahat doon sa ref. Inuna lang nini ko yung mga alcohol muna. Tapos, kakain namin kami very soon. Si Tommy Lee Jones na. Tapos, si Anika is pauwi ng bahay yung mga alas 4. Same time is sunduin din namin si Carlos. Si Elisa is meron siyang Iltabuaro. So, baka bukas na si Elisa pupunta dito guys. Siguro dapat iikot muna ito. Isa man ba yun? Isa man po din eh. Ano? Hindi mo nga, wag man yung mong gitaro. Okay na nga ito.
Minkälaisia suodattimia tähän muuten tulee?
It's the big one.
Siellä on.
Yeah. Don't need to buy. I have a lot.
Okei.
Joo, tässä on. Tässä se on.
No.
I wonder where are their knives?
Mä en tiedä, onkohan.
Definitely there's knives in here. Awesome, it's here.
No niin. Niin on tällaista.
Everything is here. That's good. Very good. So everything is here, guys. It's just that the workforce, yun na lang, mga kamay nagagawa. Yung macaroons, natapos ko na. Pwede naman yun gawin ahead of time, yung mga desserts. Yung cake, tapos na rin. Ginawa ni Nico kagabi. Pero kailangan pa namin yung i-decor. Ako na mag-decor nun, guys. And the cake, yung resulta ng cake is maganda naman. Same as how I make my own cake. So, tingin ko ang gumawa kagabi. Binigyan ko lang siya ng instruction. Paano niya gawin yun. And, he did it. Gawa niya. You can tell everybody that you are the one who makes the cake.
No, I can say, but I think they don't believe me.
Huh? Why?
I was just part of it.
You are not part of it. You did it yourself.
Really?
Yeah.
No niin, hyvä. So I can take the honors in yourself.
Huh?
So I can take the honor.
Yeah, you can tell them. Yeah, I was the one who baked it.
Really?
Because the one who mixed it and did measuring and all those things is the one who made it. I was just like the one who gave the instruction to you.
Okay.
But you were the one who made it.
No niin.
And it tastes good.
No niin.
Because I was able to make 6 cupcakes from the leftover. I still need to make some tonight.
Cheers for that.
Huh?
Cheers for that.
Hey, cheers. Cheers in Finnish is
Kippis.
kippis.
We have many kinds.
In Filipino, it's tagay. Tagay and kampai is in
Olis nämä
Spanish.
muuten valmiina tuolla, vai did you put them?
Huh?
You just put in.
Just put it.
Okay.
So we don't need to buy ice.
No niin.
We'll just make ice. Ice, baby. Diba? Oh, meron akong yellow dito. Ano ito? Nabuslot. Mali ito pagkatali ko guys ng una. So, taliin natin ito na maayos para hindi siya mag-awas-awas. Mangaon siya guys. Yan, lagyan natin. Yan. Ay. Yung food namin is cooked food lang siya guys na nilagay lang siya sa microwave. It's figuring out where to put the table is difficult. It was also difficult guys. There were like 2 tables that is not fitting.
Me and family's flu on the background.
Flu. Actually, my nose is kind of like stuck as well. Oh, forget the flu. I'm now okay. It's very cold. Soft. Then we're going, Nico's going home, and then I will go directly to the forest, go pick up Anna, and then let's go pick up Carlos as well.
And we pick up Anika at our home.
Dia minua medicine suara.
Carlos tulee tänne.
I told him to bring as well his stuff. So guys, we are back. Oh, meron tayong back to back. Andito na si Don Carlos, guys. So, yeah, si Anika din nandito na. So, ang ginawa lang namin ni Nico after namin kumain kanina is hinatid ako ni Nico doon sa forest na malapit guys. And nagpick ako ng mga dahon na kailangan namin for decorations. Tapos hinundo si Anika. Anika, don't walk over there. No, si Sala odo tahet. Sinundo lang si Anika guys. Tapos pagkatapos sundo, sinundo din si Carlos. Tapos dumaan sila ng sala, bumili sila ng sausages. Ito yung mga gamit na nanggaling doon kay Carlos guys. Yan. Tapos yung table ni Carlos, hiniram ko rin. Tapos yung isang table namin, pinadala ko kay Nico. Tapos ito na yung mga dahon. Sabi ni Carlos, this is the leaves that you got from yung binili mo. Ito yung binili nyo sa store. Sa inyo, hybrid yon. Ito low breed. Pareho lang nga yung dahon. Pareho lang, di ba? So, ito yung mga dahon-dahon, guys, na gagamitin ko for decoration. Actually, kulang pa to. Kukuha pa ako bukas. Wala na kasing time kasi andito na si Nico. But I think mamaya, kung meron naman dito malapit kasi may forest naman dito eh. Anika, tula! So, yeah. Anika, tula! O, tasun repumukan. So, dito na guys, maghahakot na naman kami ng gamit. Ito na yung nanasisan. Tasa. Naihiin daw siya. In here. Toilet is in here. Mommy showed you. It's so dark guys. Antics. Sorry. Dito sa loob. In here there, that door. You turn on the lights over there. Inoff namin yung ilaw kasi nung umalis kami. Here, Tasa, si Sala. Yeah. Nilipat na namin ni Nico yung mga sofa dito, guys, kasi nga para may space doon. Kala ko, ha? Ano? Dala mo na gamit mo? Ha? Okay. Oo, gamitin ko yan. Decor, char, ek. Yeah. So, we are back. Nico is very tired. So he's going to distress. He's going to fishing. So fishing daw yan siya, guys. Tapos, mamamalansya kami ni Carlos dito. Mag-aayos kami para malagyan na ng covers itong mga na table. Let's put lights, Daddy. Where's the lights in here? Yeah, bukas na kami mag-vacuum ulit, guys. Malinis naman na siya kasi nilinisan naman na ito. Hiniram ko pala yung isang table ni Carlos. Yung table niya talaga. Tapos yung kay Elisa, hiramin din namin. Kukunin namin mamaya. Para lalagyan namin ng cake doon sa side. Tapos, dito maglalagay din kami ng mga anik-anik. So, dito yung main area ng groom and bride. Tapos, meron kaming long table dito na mahaba dalawa. Tapos, dito din na side. Hindi na namin dinamihan, guys, kasi kailangan namin ng space for the guests na makagalaw sila, guys. Kaya hindi namin sinikipan. Tapos dun din sa labas, lalagyan din namin yan dyan ng sitting area. Meron na actually. So lalagyan na lang yan siya ng linen and konting anik-anik na decoration. Yun lang naman. So, tingnan natin ano magiging itsura nito pagkatapos. Because hindi pa namin alam kung ano magiging itsura talaga sa totoo lang. So, sabi ko kay Nico, since itong area na to, wala talaga to sa plano itong dito na area. Bigla ang ano na lang to, guys. Buti na lang nakaisip kami na lagyan na lang namin siya ng curtain na white. Tapos, lalagyan namin siya ng decoration dyan. Ayan. Ito, guys, is ano kasi ito sa church kaya merong cross dyan. Ayan. Siguro yung clock is ililipat namin yan kasi parang hindi man yan umaandar. Pero okay na rin siya na andyan siya kasi rustic look din siya. Diba? So, napakaganda nitong place na to na, guys. Kasi may mga spaces dito for the guests to sleep and rest. So, yung table ni Carlos is ilalagay natin doon sa harap. Tapos, dito sana gusto ko sana na merong table dito. Kaso wala ng table. Siguro yung isang table na lang na yun ang gagamitin. Para sa mga ano. Dito Dito kasi yung plano ko na lalagyan siya ng something dito na decoration. Or doon na lang sa harap. But yeah. Alalay tas yala pale. Don't put it there on top. Just put on the floor. And this table goes there in the front, Daddy. This table goes there in the front.
Our front?
Yeah.
Taitaa aika kapea.
Huh?
Tai when we sit here, niin
Yeah, it's just you and me.
se on aika lyhyt.
Onko? Okay. Ha?
Elisa pa ko nito.
Yung kay Elisa? Oo, kukunin ko rin yung kay Elisa. How about this one? Let's put there and then...
Tää on mun mielestä jo leveämpi.
Okay, sit then. Let's use that one then. Hi, Anika! Okay, maybe that one.
Joo.
Yeah, ota sa tavarat pois sieltä sitten. Yeah. Let's carry that one. Nico and me were so tired, guys, na palipat-lipat ng mga gamit. And tawag nito yung pag alsa-alsa ba. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, maybe that one it goes there in the front. I'll ask Carlos to carry it with you. Dong! Sadong! James Bond para may exercise, magka-muscle. Parang na lang. Carlos needs to have lots of muscle, Daddy. You know why?
No.
Because so his girlfriend, when his girlfriend touched his arms, there's muscle. Huh? You don't like to have a muscle?
Lots to jack the bills in here so I can rest.
Yeah, we are going to iron and put the cover. Yeah, you can rest. I will make Carlos tired now. Carlos is going to be my assistant. Pagod din to si Dudong pa. Wala man siyang choice. Wala siyang choice. Gusto ko na soft drinks dong dito dong. Mga soft drinks dong.
What about this black?
Yeah, let's put that one here.
Is it same height?
Let's put here.
Nita, is it for the gifts?
Maybe here. Let's put here.
No, let's look. Is it how?
I also borrow one from Elisa. Maybe there. Yeah, that side. Noy.
No, tää vähän korkea.
Huh? It's a little bit higher. But why we cannot use this one? This is actually good for 2 people to sit, Daddy. Are we that much fat?
No, en mä tiedä.
Yeah, saan Rita for you, Yamina. I think this one.
Niin.
Yeah, and that one, let's put that one back in here. Then,
Tänäänpä katsotaan, onko tää is this shorter. No se vähän, mutta...
on. I think this one is good there. No? Don't know? What do you think?
Ito?
Yeah. Lipat mo daw doon. You try, Daddy. If the 2 chair will fit in there, that will be our table.
Same size.
Katsutan. It's just like a little, like this much difference.
Niin.
Ayaw kasi hindi ko guys maniwala na pwede naman yun.
The whole day like back and forth.
Yeah, we've been moving the chairs back and forth. No, this is not the right size in here. No, it doesn't look good in here. Now, Carlos. Now it's your turn to shine. Can you imagine dong how many times we remove this chair here, we put back there, we move there, and no, a little bit here. And Nico would say, okay, let's try this way. Okay, maybe this way is okay. And then when we put another one, no, this is not possible like this. We need more space for people. Ay, kasamot, labad.
No niin.
Ayan. That one na, you put the table there. Noy, let's sit on that round table, Daddy. Where is our round table? See, it fits.
No niin. Yeah, it should be there. Is it in the trailer?
Let's put the chair maybe somewhere here. Nindot na diri rong, no? Diri po ka? Diri po ka? Ha? Daddy, he's also getting married. Yeah. He also want to be in this place.
You can have very hurry.
Huh?
It's Lavanta, but there's a pastor, food,
Yeah.
rent of the this.
Yeah. And also drinks, fridge is full.
It saves money and time.
Just the woman.
Yeah.
Where is she?
She's coming.
She's coming.
We're waiting then.
What are you waiting, Carlos? Do you have a Americana, a suit?
Yeah, I'm trying to look at.
Then pastor can
Talk to some of them.
Huh?
like a
Put in the next list.
On the next list?
pastor can say like woman and husband same time.
Ah.
It's like 2 flies.
Yeah, hitting 2 birds at the same time. Boyeta. Yeah, okay na. Let's start na dong. Mamlansya ta dong. Ah, mamlansya. Diri? Ha? Diri na lang.
Anika voisi ruveta tekemään läksyjä ja I start like
Ni.
boxing.
Ni saan ka on? Warmahan on. I think so. Tapos merong lake dito dong. Pakita namin sa iyo mamaya. I-tour ka namin sa kalupaan namin. Ito, kaya mo itong bilhin.
Okay.
Ang laki, no?
Oo.
Ah, tinitingnan ni Carlos, kaya mo ng budget. Sinong tatawagan mo para bumili dong? Ay, sinong tatawagan mo dong? Mag-name drop, mag-name drop ka na sino tatawagan mo nung bibili nito. Ang ganda dong, no? Ito lahat dong. Yung nirentahan.
Ganda.
Tapos, okay, tingnan mo dito saan yung kwarto mo. Sama ni ako ang igsuon nga po ano. Ay, kapoy ra ba ni siya? How was your evaluation? Ha? Hey, you can sleep here in the main house. Kasi malapit sa toilet, aray. Ay, naka-close. Nag-close. Manini ko. Dito sa Pika sa Agion. Para meron kang me time sa bebe mo.
Guardia civil pa yan.
Ha?
Guardia civil.
O guardia civil ka. Tig-isa kayo ng room ni Pimo. Si Pimo, dito din siya, pero doon siya sa kabilang room. Ito yung magiging kwarto ni Pimo. Magay tayo ng ilaw. Dito, kwarto ni Pimo. Ito dito.
Okay.
Yan. Tapos, dito. Gusto mo dito?
Tapos.
Ito lang. Ito yung kwarto mo. Nilagay lang namin yung Bible, mga Bible
Kabila
dyan.
dyan?
O yan yung door doon, pero ang i-access, ikaw lang isa dito para may me time ka. Ha? Okay sa'yo to?
Okay naman to.
Okay na to?
Oh.
O gusto mo doon sa kabila? Baka
Patingin.
may double deck nga doon, tapos
Dalawahan doon.
dalawahan, tapos ito dito may CR din dito. Dito may CR dito.
Oh.
Pero i-close namin to during start na ng Churba Ek. Kasi ito dito i-open ito dito para ma-access. Kasi ito yung toilet para para tawag nito.
Librang dadaan.
O pagpasok nila, etainin kasi ito yung hallway.
Oh.
So ito yung magiging toilet dyan. Pero dito yung mga rooms dong. Dito. It's my toilet for men and for women. Toilet lang dito kasi ang shower room na dun sa baba.
Oh.
Yung room number 1 sa amin yon. O dito, dalawa kayo. Paano ka makapag-baby time dito? Ha? What do you think?
Doon.
Doon ka? O sige, ayos mo na gamit mo doon.
Hindi ko kaya lagay ko.
Oo, ayos mo na gamit mo doon.
Ayun. Sa ano na.
Ha?
Ayos ko na ba?
Tapos dito, 4 naman. O, kung 4 kayo, o, paano? Pag baby time niyan, di sila makatulog. Sabihin nila, Carlos, ano ba yan? Ayaw mo makipag-usap sa amin. Tapos, sabihin ni girl, may maiba ka na dyan. Anong nangyari? Oo. Double decks din. Diba? Kaya bedsheet lang ang pinadala ko sa inyo and blanket. Kasi wala siya pero meron ng foam and all. Di ba? Maganda no? Kompleto. Lahat-lahat na. Itong buong... parang ano to, retreat to.
Retreat house na.
Mangungumpisal ka bukas.
Dito na yan tayo.
Tapos, dito na lang siguro tayo kakain. Kasi yung mga tables doon nilagyan na ng mga chuchu-chuchu.
Sa mga guests.
Oh, so dito na tayo kakain. So kailangan ko pa mag-figure out ng table para dito, kahit isang table lang para magamit. Dito na side kasi walang table dito. Yung mga magstay lang ba dito na tayo kakain. Ayan. 'Di ba? Maganda. Tapos dyan, ayun siya, storage yun siya dyan. But yeah, ito na. Linis ka na daw. Linis na. Gumagawa si Anika na assignment guys kasi meron mo siyang pasok bukas. Tapos, dito na rin kami matutulog tonight. Para magawa namin yung mga ibang kailangan gawin sa gabi. Kasi kung lipat-lipat kami, sayang din yung oras. At least meron ako magawa while si Nico or si Anika nagpapahinga. So, pwede naman ako mag-bake dito kasi meron oven, lutuan. Ayun. So, mag-start na kami guys. Malansya kami ni Carlos today ng mga linens na gagamitin namin dito.
Otetaanko vähän tänne vajaaksi?
Niin.
Mikä Carlos?
He's ironing his clothes.
Oh.
Daddy does it. Iba si Legend. Oh, sa lagyan ako. Ina-outlet sila. Ano is in outlet? It's not possible to nail it at the same time.
No ei, ainakin vähän hankalaa.
Ah. Okay. It's not straight to the top. It's not straight to the top. Ano sa
Oo, se.
So nice to have a very handy husband. Carlos is ironing. Thank you, Carlos!
Carlos is very handy too.
Yeah, he is. He's also very nice and kind. Diba?
Sitten last
Second to
one.
last one!
Oletko Nika valmista? Onnistuuko? Onko sulla naula vielä?
One, two.
No se riittää.
Ito may malapad na ano.
Ha?
Malapad na.
Lapat? Diyan! Ang lanchas dudong guys, oh.
Punta na kayo sa Finland. Dito kayo mamlansya.
Ikaw na talaga dong. Salamat daw. Si Carlos ang mag-iron ng lahat ng mga linens, guys. Na ilalagay sa table. Kasi ayaw makita ni Don Carlos ang mga
Gusot-gusot.
gusot-gusot. Oh, naplansya mo ng damit mo.
Oo.
Diba? Tingnan yung outfit ni Carlos, guys. Mas gwapo pa ni siya sa groom. Maganda talaga yung pare, sabi ni Nico.
Oo. Yung... Tsaka yung ano kasi kape, tsaka yun.
Ah, buti meron kang ganun, no?
Yung ano, yung... Yun kinuha sa Philip sa ano, pati sa FIDA.
Ayan ba yung sa FIDA?
Oo.
So lahat ng yun okay yun?
Oo, yung damit.
Yan, last nail. Kasi ito dito kanina, sobrang ano kasi niya. So, ano tawag nito? Wala siyang, hindi ko naisip na kailangan pala namin ng arch dyan or something. Buti na lang at meron ako nitong kurtina guys na luma at hindi ko pa pala ito na bigay. Ayan, so meron tayo ditong pa-backdraft, diba? So, lalagyan lang namin to ng something dyan na bitay-bitay. Are you finished with your assignment?
Joo.
Hyvä.
Tossa Hevi ole joku muu.
Mikä se on?
Tommonen musta.
Ei haittaa.
Lähteekö pois?
Oh, ei haittaa. Yo, that is fine. But daddy, it's hanging. I think it needs to put something in the middle, varmuuden vuoksi.
Niin, no en mä usko, että se...
But this one is hanging.
Mikä?
This one is hanging. It's not straight. It's like...
No kokeillaan, jos se menisi uudestaan.
Yo. Ayan, ulitin daw ni Nico. Kasi guys, nag-ano siya, nag-bend siya ng konti. Hindi siya pantay. Konti lang naman. Konti lang naman difference. Maybe just put something there. But there's nails there on the wall. You can take that one. There. That wall. So ngayon, parang mas okay na siya, oh. Diba? Mas okay na siya na ganyan. Tapos dito yung magiging table namin. Kaya Carlos na table, guys. Tapos, yung lalagyan namin ng cake is ito. Tapos, dito namin ilalagay yung mga ibang anik-anik namin, guys. Dito na side.
Happiness is the key to success. Stardust in the building. Let's go! Oh, what a feeling! This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, 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 happy.
I can't explain. This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, happy, happy.
Oh, what a feeling!
What a feeling.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, 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 happy.
I can't explain.
I can't explain.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, happy, happy,
Happiness, yo, 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 yo. Happiness, yeah, 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 yeah. Happiness, yo, 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 yo. Happiness, yeah, 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 yeah.
Any place I enter, I go to feel my free. Forget I am matter, nothing to worry me. Where trouble day, me I know day. We enjoying day, not for the me
Oh, what a feeling!
What a feeling.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, 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 happy.
I can't explain.
I can't explain.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, happy, happy,
Oh, what a feeling!
what a feeling.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, 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 happy.
I can't explain.
I can't explain.
This happy, happy feeling.
Happy, 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 feeling.
happiness is
Anong masasabi mo, Dong, na pinagplan sa ka ni Ate Viole?
Exercise daw.
Plancha yan siya, guys. Kasi siya daw ang susunod na gamit.
Ako nakakasense.
Eh? Ikaw na talaga. Bakit talaga, Dong? Buti na lang dala ni Carlos yung plancha niya, guys. Kasi merong effect ng plancha na dala namin. Go, Dong. Kaya mo yan. Marunong na siya magplansya, guys. Kailangan basain. Basta yun doon mo. Doon sa center table. Ano talaga, Dong? Thank you, Dong. Kayong dalawa ni Raquel mag-ano sa welcome drink sa...
Ah,
Kayong dalawa ni Raquel mag-ano. Tsaka pwede ka na talaga mag-asawa, Dong.
pwede ba? Pwede na.
Pwede na?
Pwede na. Huwag lang patiganin.
Excited ka na?
Excited na.
Che?
Ah,
We?
kailangan mo mag-settle ng...
Ano?
Kailangan mo rin mag-settle.
Char.
Ah,
Paano mo niya nabag mo? Asawa ka dong, asawa dong kagaya sa Pilipino, bigay lahat.
bigyan natin.
Ha?
Hindi, may part naman na matitira sa'yo.
Na, Jude. 50-50 dong, no? Nasa Europe, good, no?
Oo, practical daw.
Ni. Bito, kay, di sa Finland, maasawa ka, isa lang ang may income, hindi kaya dong, hirap.
Sabi ko kaya, tulungan naman yun.
Char, ang galing na ni Carlos, guys, oh. Pulidong, pulido. Ikaw na talaga, Dong.
Tawag. Sige, sasawag.
Ha?
Sige. Hindi ko yata ito.
Ano sabi?
Mo? Yan ko. Kaperya po. Okay.
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 Maybe dito lang tayo sa loob kumain, Dong. Sabihan mo.
Parang wala siguro nalagayan ng ano.
Meron mang lalagyan dyan. Kuha na lang tayo pa rin yung sa loob kumain, Dong. Kasi malamig na doon sa labas.
Labas,
Mag-dinner na kami, guys. Yung dinner namin is sausage. Luto ni Nico doon sa grilling place kanina. My legs are so painful already.
Hard day.
Yeah. So hard day.
One day.
Huh?
One day preparation.
Yeah. Even just to move the tables, it was like a puzzle. It was kind of like difficult. Because they're not even, so we try to find where's the pair of one table, because as you can see, this table is different. Yeah, this is like two tables in here, and we put them together. It was a lot of work. Anyways, guys, we'll end the video here. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. We'll continue tomorrow. Nico's going to take Carlos home, and you're going to take the table from Elisa.
Joo.
Hey, hey.
Hei.
Hey, hey. Put me one sausage in here, Daddy. Ehkä toi on hyvä. Toi. Niin. Kiitos.